So now we have to understand the balance. Holy place is important, okay? But stay for some time. We go to a holy place, stay for a few days. Because generally when we go to a holy place, we don't have an engagement there. We just go, we see some tirthas, we hear about Krishna Katha, we hear some kirtan. With company of devotees, still better, and then come back. With that inspiration, continue to preach Krishna consciousness. So we go to holy places for like a booster, for re-spiritualization, for energizing ourselves, for inspiration, for more meditation on the Lord. Okay? But then we come back to continue to preach. Do not make a plan, I'll go to holy place and settle down. That will not be possible. What is more important is engagement.